Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 18th chapter, that is the waste. In the previous video already have discussed about that how to management of that waste is. Yes, there are generally how you have managed that all that waste things, how landfills, and how you have done that our compost pits. You have just managed that what waste things. But today we are going to discuss about that steps to reduce the generation of waste. Students, how we can reduce our that wastage? Now, first of all, we have to remove what the waste things, that production that you have to reduce, and uses also. If you are unnecessary, if you use, that means more wastage will come. Suppose you want 3 banana, okay? You brought that the 2 dozens banana. What you do? It will be spoiled. It will be rotten. So what you have to do? You have to throw 1 2 banana or 4 banana. You will take other remaining banana. It will be spoiled. So lastly, you have to throw. Okay. So how much you are using? How much needs? If you will take out that, and that much you can use easily. But that means it will be reduced that our waste. But how much needs? If you will take that more, you will bring that more, and compulsory it will be waste. Okay, suppose you want rice, 2 spoon rice you need. You will bring 20 spoon rice, 5 or 10 spoon rice you will bring. What will happen? After 2 spoon eating after, you cannot take. So that rice you will throw. So what will happen? So that means waste things are, it will be increased by that way. So we have to reduce that uses. You have to reduce that production. If more things will come, production, the compulsory it will be used more. Okay. So see that what are the things. Reduction in the amount of waste generated can be achieved in the following way. Reduction of the amount of waste. How can we reduce that? There are the different some ways are there. Active cooperation and involvement of the citizens and children like you. Active cooperation. You everybody, those who are the citizen of that, that citizen, and also like a small child like you. Both everybody they should be active in these cases. Second things, practicing the 3 R's. Do you know that R's? In English alphabet R 3 R's. How many R's, students? 3 R. मतलब R. ये इसको बोल 3 R's. This 3 R, what is that? One is reuse. Okay, recycle. Okay, reuse, recycle, reduce. The 3 R's we are using. That's why it is called as R for reduce, R for reuse, R for recycle. मतलब what do you mean by reduce, what do you mean by recycle and reuse क्या होगा? So reduce मतलब when I told you first things, we how much needs we have to use that much. Okay, suppose we are now writing that exercise question answer. Some students are there trying to finish more number of books. So that's no need. Every page, both sides you have to write it, and totally don't leave the space unnecessary. So many times I have given instruction about that. Okay, because if you will waste one paper, that means in India how many students like you are there? So how many papers per day it will waste? If 365 days, how many papers will waste? Okay, if 10 years, how many papers will waste? And that much paper purpose, how many trees you have to cut, and that paper will waste also. So that means waste also it will be, and also it will be affect to our what is that environment, and we will cut the trees, and it will be deforestation also it will become. So that's why you have to be write the paper proper way, and you have to use also proper way. Okay. So you must follow that any articles, anything maximum you have to do practice like that. Reuse you can do, otherwise reduce also you can do, otherwise recycle also you can do. Okay. So first of all we will discuss about the what is that reduce. Reduce the production of waste by the consumption and low wastages. If suppose production is कम, less है, तो use कमी हो जाता. क्योंकि suppose 10 pens you have brought means that what will happen, the using it will become slow. Slow whenever it means less it will use, because there is not getting the sufficient. Okay. So that methods you have to follow. You have to production as usual, it will be automatically use also, it will be reduced. For example, avoid the using plastic bags, carry your own cloth bags and everything. If plastic bags, suppose a polythene bag is not getting, what you should do? You will take that something, okay, reuse cases for bag purposes, and you cloth with you have to buy, make that bags, and you can use number of times one bag. But nowadays what we are taking, we are going to market, we are purchasing vegetables, one polythene carry bag we are taking, and taking that to your house and throwing that carry bag or polythene bag. Yes, so that cases what will happen? That cases it will be increasing our wastage. Okay, every houses if 2 polythene or 2 carry bags it will be waste. Then in your place, if 2000 houses are, then how many polythene bags it will throw in that outside. So think once, okay, because that is non-degradable, means non-biodegradable. It is not degradable by the bacteria or by any means. Okay, so you must do that. Use both sides of a paper while you are writing. Some members back side paper they are not writing. Okay, so you should not do like that. Buy only what you need. How many want, how much needs, that much quantity only you should buy. Avoid using the disposable plastic items. If suppose one disposal nowadays water drinking purposes on plastic glass also using that disposal. So what happening, students? No, after drinking you have to throw. After drinking you have to throw once using. So that means what will happen once you use after? That means wastage day by day what? It will increase. You have seen that any functions, any marriage or any birthday functions, you have seen that number of plastic glasses are, it will be, they will throw on like tops like. Yes, so that is what will happen, it will be increasing its wastage, okay, which are also harmful for our environment. Next students we will discuss about that reuse. Certain items can be reused. For example, reuse empty glasses, bottles as containers for the storing the things, and reuse plastic things like bags and bottles. I told you whenever reuse क्या होता, हमें polythene bag instead of polythene carry bags we have to take that cloth bags. If once you use that, take out that vegetables, for the next for also you can use. After tear that 5 times, 10 times, 15 times you can use that only one bag. Second thing, what they are telling, reuse the plastic bag, like I know one water bottle we are taking, and nowadays what available in the market water bottle we are drinking at 20 rupees and we are throwing that bottle. Not like that. One plastic bottle if you with you, or aluminum or that metal bottle is there, then that bottle we have to take that water and we will drink. You don't want to use like that or use and throw bottles. Okay. Recycle क्या होगा? Third one is recycle. Recycle means useful things can be made by recycling waste materials. Example, glass, plastic, aluminum cans and other materials can be recycled. You know that students nowadays some members in the railway station and that they are collecting that plastic bottles. Why? Because they will papers collecting that papers also collecting from your houses. Because that paper and glasses and also aluminum metals they will take to that industry and they will melt it and recycle they will do. But the same types of like in market, but you will get that same papers, aluminum also, and that also plastics or glass. Okay, so that is called as a recycle. Whatever once using after second times or third times you are using, that is called as a recycle. Okay, so these are about the students how to reduce that our uses of that our waste things. Okay, these are about that, and you should write that and you should collect that how it is possible that other things you should make in your notes, not a matter you should write. Thank you all of you.